Hi, this is that I2C scanner in ESP Lua example. You can connect your SDA pin as 2, it's a GPIO 5, and SCL pin as 1, it's a GPIO 4. This program will scan all the I2C device address, which devices are connected in that module. Connection is very simple. I am connected this TTL to UART converter, and this to ESP, and this to SDL SPN pin connected to that IO expander, GPIO IO expander MCP230107. I am using 2 ICs, so both SL and SDA pins are connected through this, and also LCD. So now I scan these 3 modules, 3 items, which address are present in this I2C module. If it's not connected, just do this like. So now my COM port is COM6, and here scan it and open it. The problem is this Lua loader sometimes can't auto detect the firmware, so just you hit any interrupt, flag the scan, just unblock and re-block this your module, ESP module. Yeah, got it. I ordered this I2C scanner program, so again I will order. You can get this code in that description section. I put a link. Here you can see 127 addresses scanned. So scanning started. 02 and 31 addresses are nil, and 32 addresses 0x20. I think this is MCP2317, and also another one is 21. I connected like this. Then this is not scanned. This which one? That LCD is not scanned, so I will try again. Check all my connections once, thereafter I will try. So I will again scan all those things. Oh shit, now also I can't get. So checking. LCD, CCL and SDA pins are connected correctly. I'm using breadboard, so sometimes it will come out. And now again I will scan this one. Yeah, this time I got it. See, you can see that MCP address is 20 and 21. It's a hex code, and also detected that device is 27. 27 is this LCD.